Checking your transaction history on Telstra is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your account details. Step 1. Log into your Telstra account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Billing section. Once logged in, look for the Billing or Account section in the main menu. This is where you can find detailed information about your transactions. Step 3. Select Transaction History. In the Billing section, find the option labeled Transaction History or Payment History. Click on this option to view a list of all your recent transactions. Step 4. Filter your transactions. If available, use any filtering options to narrow down your search. You can typically filter by date range, transaction type, or amount to find specific entries more easily. Step 5. Review and download. Review your transaction history as needed. If you want to keep a record, look for an option to download or export your transaction history, usually available in PDF or CSV format. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Telstra. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Telstra customer support for assistance.